How to clean a Mazzer Robur grinder. The whole process should take 15 to 20 minutes and should be done every 50 kilos. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a shifter, a metal pick, food grade lubricant, a microfiber cloth, and a small grinder brush. Remove the hopper and mark the current position of the grinder. Now remove the top burr carrier and the 4 springs. Wedge your screwdriver so the central chamber can't move, unscrew the bolt, and remove all parts. Clean all parts thoroughly. Brush out the inner chamber, but using a vacuum will make it much easier. Thoroughly clean the threads of the inner chamber and top collar. They have to be immaculate. Replace all parts and reassemble the bottom chamber. Tighten the bolt firmly. Lubricant is only needed if your threads are worn or damaged. Push down on the top burr carrier with your palm and screw on the top collar. Keep screwing until you meet resistance, then align back to the initial reference point. And you're done. Your grinder as good as new.